Hello, and welcome to this video from Zenitel Academy.
This video will show how to perform the factory default procedure on the Turbine series. The procedure applies to these products. To perform this procedure on an IP speaker, add a temporary push button to input number 1. For kits, a speaker must also be added. Start by holding down the call button, or activating input 1, while powering the device by inserting the network cable into a PoE port on the switch. After a short while, the device will start counting. Release the button, or deactivate input 1 immediately when you hear 1.
1.
The device
2.
will continue to count. Press
3.
and hold the button again when it speaks 5.
5. 0.
The Turbine device will now confirm the factory reset by speaking 0. The procedure is now complete, and the button or the input can be released. The device now reboots. Once it is running again, it will be in edge mode with the default settings and a DHCP given IP address. If a static IP address is wanted, follow the same procedure, but press again on the count of 3 instead of 5. Blinking call button LED indicates that the device is unregistered. Pressing the call button at this stage will make it speak its IP address.
1 0 9 5 2 4 5.
Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our web pages at zenitel.com and our wiki pages at wiki.zenitel.com.